So let's talk through the location of the factory.
Well, I mean, usually what happens is you find a main factory. You find that's like your main...
The mother factory?
Sure. That main factory is going to have the ability to make the bulk of the parts and then do the assembly and kitting process where they're putting the package or the product together fully. So it's a fully packaged good. And then usually when it comes to other auxiliary items, like things that are made out of different materials or different processes, they're going to find nearby factories themselves. And they'll probably work with like a friend of theirs or a friend factory, right? I think it's important to figure out who that friend factory is. And ideally, if you can, control who is supplying those other parts on your end. So that way, you know, issues don't pop up with something that is through another layer that you cannot control.
Right.
That's harder to do. But I think if you go in at the beginning with that in mind and find those resources yourself, which we help do, you can eliminate that problem before it becomes one.